Hello friends, welcome to today's tutorial. Today I'll be showing you guys how to fix this error, and also another reason for you to not to use this, right? Because it can be blocked anytime. And secondly, our site have been updated, so you'll be seeing it soon. So this is an account I created, right? I'm just going to delete this account. You can see it still have full pro trial. You can see 6 days left. So I created it in the previous tutorial, but I'm going to be deleting this account. So you can see, delete. Now, okay, it's asking for me to delete the subscription. Click here. So many of you encounter errors with the phone number, right? So I'll be showing you guys how to bypass that phone number. So, but in the next video, I'll be showing you guys how to fix that phone number issue. So let's fix this. Good. Just click on no thanks. Return to cursor. Then I'm going to go ahead and delete it. Now when you delete the account, you can see I no longer have the account right here. So I'm just going to sign in a new account. Let's just wait for it to load. Good. So I'm just going to go ahead and create a new account. So I'm clicking on sign up. Alexandra Keats, email first. So I'm just going to click on continue. Verify I'm human. Request email. Verify human. So guys, I'm just going to retrieve the email. This is it. I'm going to click, it's going to refresh. So if you don't know how I got this, check in the previous tutorial, you will know, you'll see this. So I'm just going to copy and paste. So right now it's showing me phone number, right? The only way you can bypass this, right, I'll be showing you guys in the next video. So I'm just going to input my phone number here. So they're going to send me a code. Good, they've sent me the code, so I'm just going to insert it. Right, so you're going to click skip for now. Close. Share data. Now you're going to click on dashboard. Good, so you have this, you can see it's in free plan. So I'm just going to click here on trial. So this is the card. Make sure this is ticked first. So here I'm just going to insert the details. So for the card, in order for you to generate the card, what you're going to do is head over to this site, right? As you can see, I've already activated the account already. So here's what you do. Now let me log out. Good. Now when you scroll down, make sure you are in the second blog post. This is the second. Let me expand it so you see. So this is the second blog post, the one with unlimited free trial. Click on the read article, scroll down. You're going to find it locked like this. So all you need to do is to subscribe. Now when you are subscribed to the YouTube channel, this is the YouTube channel, you can head back and click on I have subscribed. You can see it will automatically subscribe. Now all you have to do is for you to create an account. So you can click on sign up and put your details here. You can put any details, put any email here, or you can still use the Alexandra kit. Let me use the Alexandra kit. Good. Then I'll just put theater complex. The password I'll just put 5555 or 66 or 6666. Good. 666666. It's just for formality's sake. So I'm just going to click save my password. You can see theater complex. So all you need to do is just to come down here and click on this right here. Now once you click it, this is going to show. You can see. Now it's going to tell you this when you try to buy. It's going to tell you buy me a coffee. You can see all you need to do is just to select the payment method. It's just $1, right? It's just $1. So you can just click to make the payment. Good. You can see it's just $1.02 kobo or so. So you can put your details and make the payments here, and let's cancel. If you are from, just have to select your country here. So if you are in Nigeria, you are in the United States, you'll find United States top. That's the first. In Ghana, you can select your Ghana. You can see it's just 16 cities. You can select your country from this, right? You can select any country. So if you are in West Africa, if you are in Central Africa, South Africa also, the rand. If you are in England, you can select this, or Europe. You can see this. So €1 is equivalent to $1. So you can just make it, it's just a token for appreciation. So once you do that, so I've already made my payment. So I'm just going to, and you give my account. So this is my account. I've logged in. And I'm just going to click on article. You can see it's showing me locked. I've already made my payment. So I'm just going to click here. So this is my account. I'm just going to scroll down and click on the second blog post here. Now once I click on the second blog post, it's going to load. Okay, let me turn off my hotspot. Right, so good. Now once you make sure you turn off your VPN before you access the site, you can see. So the next thing, just scroll down to here. But if you have subscribed before, just click here just to be on the safe side. You can see, then go back, click I have subscribed, and it's going to load like this. Now once it's done loading, it will automatically open this page. Right now, if I go back, refresh here and scroll, then click on this, I won't have to buy another. You can see I won't have to buy it. It has completely opened, right? Even if I click on another blog post that has buy me a coffee, I won't have to pay. You can see, so it's just completely free. So all you have to do is just to follow the method, make the buy him a coffee. Then once you buy him a coffee, this page will open, and head down to this generate from number card. Now as you can see, I have list of accounts here, so I'm just going to paste one. Good. And hit generate. So it's going to generate random one. I'm going to pick any one and put it inside here. So continue. I'm going to put a random date. Let me just use the normal date there, and 32. And for the CVV, I'm going to put 999. The card holder, Alexandra Keith, United States. And for the address, now I'm going to turn on my VPN. Good. Now for the address, I'm just going to type Michigan. I'm going to select anyone. Good. So once you're done filling this form, right, go ahead and click on this, uncheck this button here, and click on start free trial. You can save the details. You can see it has successfully verified right now. So it's going to take me to my dashboard. You can see I have 7 days free trial. So it's still working. All you need to do is just to buy him a coffee. Now once you buy him a coffee, you can access it for as long as you can, and this will enable cursor not to block this particular method. So I urge you guys to follow up just to enable. Okay, sorry, let me turn this off, just to help him get a coffee. Now in the next tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how to bypass the phone number method. Right, you can see this has successfully registered. Right, so I'll be showing you guys how to bypass the phone number method, and that is all for this part of the tutorial. See you guys in the next tutorial. Bye. Don't forget to click on this second blog post. When you click on it, you can just click here, right? After clicking it, I've subscribed, it will automatically say thank you. Good, and take you to this page. All you need to do is click on sign up with your details and create an account. Once you create an account, it's going to take you to the blog post, or you go to the blog post, the second blog post.